My love, you are finally here. You are finally home, home in every cell. My love, it has been such a year, but now we're finally home. We are finally here, and we came down from the bottom, through all the layers, into the roots, and we grow here with each other because of our prayers, the sweetest of fruits, and everything is done together as one. My love, I'm looking deep in your eyes as I breathe in your smile. There is so much they say. My love, it's been a wonderful year, 'cause now we're finally home. We are finally